Thanks, Allison. Let's talk about what's happening across all of Metro Detroit. And I mean, this is a big time change. We had highs in the 90s just yesterday with a decent amount of sunshine. The humidity was sky high, which triggered some showers and storms, but what also triggered those same storms, a cold front. And today, that cold front is going to work, to say the least. We're dealing with some leftover showers, but the northerly flow is going to help to get not only the moisture out of the air, but also the heat. I think we will hit a high temp. This will probably be for Detroit. When I say Detroit, I'm talking about downtown Detroit in the city. The communities outside of the city, more than likely, you'll be a little bit cooler. 84 is considered average. These are our hottest days of the year right now in July, and we're talking about temperatures having a hard time getting into the 70s. In fact, downtown is at 70. Winds from the north bringing in that change. The dew point's at 62, and that's the direct measurement of moisture, and it's not going to be very humid out there. I mentioned that there's a chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms. A lot of that activity scooted by Monroe, continues to drift to the east, south of Windsor. A few showers on the east side, but I think the main story, which you can see the evidence, the cloud cover, which is showing where the cold front currently is located. Normally, I like to draw a cold front on the map, but I almost don't even have to. Look at the linear nature of these clouds as this drifts on through. That northerly flow coming in behind it will get rid of the humidity, and it's getting rid of our rain and storm chances, but that's temporary. Let's talk about futurecast, getting rid of this. I'm thinking by around 5 to 6 o'clock, we'll start to clear these skies up. Should be a nice sunset in Metro Detroit as the drier air works in. And when I say dry, I mean you can turn the air conditioner off type of dry. The local lows is showing this refreshing change. How about these low temperatures once again for July? 52 in Lapeer, 57 in Port Huron, 61 in Detroit, but 57 in Ann Arbor. And it's not just those locations. You look at Macomb, Sterling Heights, Brighton. I think you get the idea. Mid to low 50s in July. The air conditioners, the energy bills will get a break, but it is brief. I'm thinking that we're going to start to see the muggy meter climb once again into tomorrow, but once again, Sandusky, Lapeer, 53 and 54. What does this mean for the Tigers game? They're back in town, so a refreshing game. I'm thinking the humidity will drop as the game continues. First pitch at 6:40. Same time for Tuesday, which I think is the pick of the week. You combine low 80s with low humidity and sunshine. That's the best day we're going to get in July because storms move in courtesy of the return to that humidity. So for this homestand against the Rays, Wednesday has the best chance, at least, of being impacted by those showers and storms. Speaking of which, we could see rain in the vicinity of Metro Detroit as early as the morning on Wednesday, but also in the afternoon. Any one of those storms could produce some heavy rainfall, and that resets things, and it appears that'll be the new theme that we'll have in the 7-day. Starting Wednesday, all the way through the weekends, the chance of rain almost every day, courtesy of that humidity. 85 on Wednesday, and I think we can get closer to 90 by Saturday.